This is why we need our new place, dude. God, it's like no room. 2 dudes in a dash. I'm really stoked that Tristan showed up today. I get to be his right-hand man and help him out. This is the first time I've ever done this, so hopefully he's not too hard on me. Hey, Tristan, that was fun, dude. So Derek and I got everything all cleaned up and we got everything assembled on the dash, and now it is ready to be installed. All right, buddy. You want to turn around? I'll go my way first so I can climb inside. This is why we need our new place, dude. God, it's like no room. You okay?
Golden.
Okay. Here, if I can get in the middle here, I'll hold it up in the middle.
This one's sitting on the studdage. How cool is that? It just slid in, it's done.
2 dudes in a dash. It was in less than 5 minutes. Look at that.
The bearded colostomy bag seems to be doing a really good job when he's able to work with somebody else. Derek, I think, holds his hand to the fire. They did a great job putting the dash in the car, and while the majority of it's bolted in, there's just some plumbing that needs to be done underneath it, and then that operation's done. Our 72 Charger's coming around really nice. It's almost done. I had Josh disassemble the tail light lenses, backup lights, the license plate light, the license plate holder. I had him get all the detailing done so that Royal can put those together.
Josh did a good job cleaning up and detailing the lights for the 72 Charger. I really like these lights, the way they go together. The way they look when they're together. It's just really nice like at nighttime. They just look really cool at nighttime. I was ready to install the taillights after putting them together, and Mark pulled me off to do something else. Mark wanted to raise the car up and work on the exhaust, so I just set them in the trunk. But now the lights are all together, they're in the trunk, they're ready to go in when we get the car back down.
So we got a hold of Tristan from Trifer Glass and Tint, and he showed up today to help us put in the windows, the front windshield and the back window for the 1972 Dodge Charger.
My name is Tristan from Trifer Glass and Tint. It's always nice to come down when Mark calls us. I never know what we're going to do, but in this case, it's a 1972 Dodge Charger, and it's a beautiful car.
I'm really stoked that Tristan showed up today. I get to be his right-hand man and help him out. This is the first time I've ever done this, so hopefully he's not too hard on me.
Perfect. You don't have to go all the way down.
Oh, just part of the way?
Yeah, just like on the top lip where it's gonna touch where it's gonna glue the window in.
Oh, sweet. Like how concentrated he is. This is why we call him in here. You do great work, Tristan. All right, so is there a technique before I just slam this
You
into
want to be
place?
careful not to hit it on the clips. It was nice to have Josh's help set the windshield for the 72 Charger. He did a great job. Went together great. I'm out of here. Good job, Josh.
Hey, Tristan, that was fun, dude. Thanks, man. Thanks for letting me help you out.
This station will remain on the air day